Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about Omega Select Plus Fry Pan 250mm from the brand Prestige. So let's get started. Now this is a non-stick fry pan from the brand Prestige, and we all know that nowadays healthy cooking is so much important and you don't want to compromise with your food. Now when it comes to healthy cooking, you must have cookware which helps you in doing healthy cooking. Like if you want to cook recipes like pasta or some paneer bhurji or anything you want to make, but if you want to make it with less oil, you need a superior quality non-stick coating, and here Prestige brand promises you a superior quality non-stick coating. Now why am I saying this is superior? Because you can use a metal spatula, so it's not like one layer coating which will come off with a metal spatula. It's superior quality. Plus, this is PFOA free. Now, it's very important for non-stick coating to be healthy also. So, this is PFOA free. That means it will not change the taste of your food. It will not make your food harmful. It is healthy. So, the chemical PFOA is not there in this coating. Plus, you also get a good diameter. It's very important for a fry pan to have enough space so that you can saute vegetables. You can move the vegetables around in a pan easily. So, while cooking, the process becomes really easy for you. I really like the thickness. Here you get a 250mm thickness, which is great. That means the pan will not change shape. Even if it falls, it will not bend from here or that side. It will remain like this for a longer period of time in your kitchen while you use it every day as well. Now this was about the coating and all. If I talk about the handles, here the handles are riveted. That means while the pan is hot and you're cooking anything, you want to saute and you have to move your pan like this will not get heated. So even if the pan is on the gas, your handles will remain cool. So these are like cool touch handles. They are also good quality. They have a nice grip. Plus you also have an option here to hang these handles. Now let's come to the exterior finish of this fry pan. I really like the exterior finish. This is something which will go with your kitchen. So no matter what kind of color you have in your kitchen, what kind of paint you have in your kitchen, the color is such which will easily match with the other cookware. And it is a color which is like evergreen. You will not get bored of this design. Now on the back side of the pan also you can see it has a flat base, helps in even cooking. So when you keep this on the gas, the flame gets distributed evenly on all the sides. So your food gets cooked evenly and also gets cooked faster. So that's the benefit. And the weight of the pan is also good. It's not a very lightweight pan and it's not very heavy also that your hands will hurt if you hold this for a longer period of time. Just the right weight which makes it durable and sturdy. So this was it about this fry pan 250mm from the brand Prestige. You also get a 1-year warranty from the brand. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.